wide open road with the radio on. A full tank of gas, the windows rolled down, singing my favorite song. With a summer breeze rolling through my hair, not a care in the world, and a clear blue sky. Out here having fun, soaking up the sun, speeding toward a happy and carefree life. But sometimes you come to a fork in the road. Sometimes you stop, don't know which way to go, but you gotta keep on driving, chase that horizon, stop all your crying and find a way to a place where it all makes sense. 'Cause where your heart's leading you ain't no accident. Look your worries right in the eyes and say nothing.
Yan ang liguan namin mamaya guys, yan. Presko kayong swimming pool kay Nay Kahoy. Presko kayo dito guys, oh. Napay lansones guys, oh. Yan. Nay durian, may lansones na bunga. Pag maligo guys, libre ang kuha dito. Yung maganda na durian, yung bungang durian guys. Babaw. Ayan. Napasya ay ano guys, oh, yung tawag na hindi guys, yung iba. Yan, nakatikim na ba kayo ganito guys na bunga guys? Ito yung iba. Tikman natin guys ha. Ayan. Ah! Happy kaaslom guys. Happy kaaslom ng iba, oh. Aslom kayo. Yan ang swimming pool. Yan. Durian doon guys, oh. Naubos ng bunga guys, yan. Mga cottage. Marami naghahan ng bunga ng lansones. Yan. Yan, no. Walk through fire if you have to, climb every mountain, swim every sea, turn over every rock on your journey, 'cause nothing is free.